back to another MPL photography video with me, Jen, your Maker Place coordinator. In this video, I'm going to be talking about framing your subject, and I have 2 framing tips for you that are going to give your photos a unique spin. Tip number 1, a frame within a frame. You can use elements in your photograph like trees or buildings and other structures to frame your subject within the frame of the photograph, just like in these examples. Tip number 2, you can also completely fill the frame of your photo with your subject. Who needs other things and other elements in your photograph when your subject's already so interesting, right? Both of these methods will leave you with a unique and interesting photograph. For more tips on how to improve your photos, check out my next video on aesthetics.